No code doesn't mean no work. Most people have the idea that no-code app builders are easy. You don't have to write any code, so you just drag and drop a few things, tweak some settings, and launch an app in a couple hours. You want to launch an app for your e-commerce brand, so you have an idea to install something from the Shopify App Store, click a few buttons, and have your own app by the end of the day. The reality is a little different, especially if you're a high-growth e-commerce brand trying to launch something that actually drives revenue. Getting the app to look right takes work. Getting it on brand takes work. And getting the user experience to feel good, navigation, checkout flow, product pages takes a lot of work. But is it less work than coding a native app from scratch? Sure, but far from zero. You're still rebuilding things, you're still configuring screens, and you're still testing on multiple devices. You're still going back and forth trying to get it to match what you already have on your website. And that's before you deal with App Store submissions, updates, and maintenance. For most brands, this turns into a project that sits on someone's to-do list for months. Because if you're like any other store, you probably don't have hours to spare. Either you keep putting it off because it feels like too much work and you never actually launch, or you rush it, launching something incomplete that your customers just don't want to use, and they quietly abandon it. So you're back to square one. Neither is a good outcome, but MobiLoud works differently. MobiLoud doesn't ask you to rebuild your store in a new platform. It just converts what you've already built. With MobiLoud, your existing website becomes a high-performance app with no code, but more importantly, no work required. Your website becomes your app. Same design, same checkout, same everything. It's not a simplified version, it's your actual site converted into a native app. You don't have to configure screens or fiddle with drag and drop components, and you don't spend weeks tweaking settings. After all, you've already done this with your website, and you've spent years perfecting it. So why should you spend time trying to recreate what already works? With MobiLoud, everything's done for you. The build, App Store publishing, updates, it's 100% done for you, and not another project on your plate. No code sounds simple, but simple tools still require your time and focus. If you want an app without the project, that's what MobiLoud is built for. So head over to mobiloud.com for a free preview of your store as an app and see just how easy it can be.